911, what is the address of your emergency?
240 East Beardsley Avenue.
Do you need police, fire department, or an ambulance?
I need the police out here.
What's the problem?
My husband is putting his hands on me.
Okay, do you need medical attention?
No, I don't. I do not need medical attention, but I need some help because I don't deserve this crap.
Is he still there right now?
Yeah, he's still here right now. Can you please help me? Please get a cop out here.
Okay, we'll get a deputy out there as soon as we can. If something
Thank
changes,
you.
call 911. What is the address of your emergency?
It's 240 East Beardsley Avenue.
Okay, it looks like you called before. Has something changed since
Yes,
the last time you called?
my husband has a weapon now. Can somebody please come out?
What kind of weapon does he have?
He has a gun and he has an axe. Can somebody please come out?
A gun and an axe?
Hello?
Hi.
Yes.
This is the sheriff's office.
Yeah.
Do you know why he's refusing to put it down?
Because he's been drinking a little bit and we got in a fight earlier.
Okay.
I'm right across the street. I'm inside where the blue car is.
And we're
been drinking too much.
Hey, with the white shirt, put the rifle down. You with the white shirt. This is the Kern County Sheriff's Office. Put the rifle down. He has a rifle in his hand.
Control, Boston Boy, for information, primaries refusing to drop the rifle.
This is the Kern County Sheriff's Office. Drop the rifle down.
Put the rifle down.
Put the rifle down now. Drop the rifle.
Yeah, he still has a rifle. Put the rifle down.
Drop the rifle. Cool, drop the rifle down.
There's one in the backyard. You guys see him? I saw somebody in the backyard. Black shirt. No. Additional suspect in the backyard. Hey, we just want to talk. Put the rifle down.
Multiple civilians refusing to evacuate the area created a higher level of concern for community safety.
Hey, he's messing with the rifle.
Put it down now!
You with the rifle. Put the rifle down. Hey, he's picking up his rifle. Heads up, he's picking up his rifle. Cole, this is the Kern County Sheriff's Office. Drop the rifle. You're under arrest. Hey, reaching in his waistband.
What did he say? He's reaching in his waistband.
He's reaching in his waistband. He's standing up. Cole, drop the rifle. You're under arrest.
A closer look at the deputy's side view mirror shows multiple civilians that did not obey evacuation orders, creating a higher level of concern for community safety.
Cole, this is the Kern County Sheriff's Office. You're under arrest. Put the rifle down. He's standing up. He's standing up. Put the rifle down. Hey, he's grabbing it. Let me see your hands. Cole, let me see your hands. Put your hands in the air. Yes, hands in the air. Back away. Back away now.
Deputies rendered medical aid until medical personnel arrived on scene.